in Jamaica, where are you?
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings to my viewers and subscribers. Dancehall is back and tapping on my people right on top of the globe of dancehall around the place again. And so today, we decide say yo, we are gonna give artists them flowers in my people, and today the artists that we are highlighting and give the flowers. We are talking about Molly Dan, or you want to call him Molly 6. So Molly Dan, we are giving him flowers to them people. No joke about it. The artist here work. When we say him work, he must do him thing. And he must stride. And people, you know the highlighter we are gonna share with Molly Dan. We have a different set of videos with Molly Dan, different shows that he been doing in this year 2025. Because this year we are talking about my people. And we are going to share them clip of different shows Molly Dan did, my people. And we are talking about a lot of shows in the Caribbean islands. We are talking about in France. We are talking about in Canada. And we are talking about in the United Kingdom, UK, my people, if you want to say England. So Molly Dan, my people, Molly 6, he's been working. The artists are, he might tear up the place. And Molly Dan is slated to perform, you know what I mean, in the Turks and Caicos Island, my people, this Saturday, August the 2nd, 2025, alongside Ruga, that Afrobeats artist, my people, and alongside a band with them call name Kess, my people, big bands too.
Well, go on, I'm Molly Dan. August the 2nd, I'll be live at the Turks and Caicos Music Festival. You can't miss this one, it's gonna be a movie. Be there, we'll lick, sold out. Big body event, the miss it is to this it. Antigua, girl fly up Antigua, bad Caribbean girl, why?
I don't know, so Molly Dan, he's been working, my people. And me I tell you the truth, honestly, the artists are going good. So we have to give him highlight and give him flowers and give him strength, you know what I mean? As an artist who are go. Yo, Molly Dan, Molly 6, Atomic Records, big up on yourself, brother. We see the work, we see the progress. So, no one after Molly Dan. People, check out these clips from Molly Dan. Sold out shows across the globe. Peace out. Attack.
What you get them there? What's your? So me sing say me title. You want to live in your title. Motor girl stone in a me iPhone. Rose the cocky a yas. You know what I want? Give me a one shot. What one? Me push it in and pop it. You put it fast in the gun rap. And if your boyfriend thinks to fuck one. Caribbean girl, wind up the waistline. Six. girl sing. Like good pussy girl there. Yeah. The pussy in that back. Don't see that skin it on top. Hey, boy, let me do it. Fuck that. Right now. Dracula! I want to like that and scream! Listen. Hey. Stepping on the piece, girl, start. She broken cocky, so she have to get up. Level me. From you know a boy can't back say in your face or kick you in your face. Real bad people with them sister party. And they don't wait back. Don't do it up! She want to fuck you, start, and you must jump. She can't repeat for that. Don't do it. Sister party, no man. Tell me what you like. Never touch the phone. I see a man you're watching. What? See? It's a man carrying on. I see a man carrying on. You ready? I'm like, who everybody jump? Ready, ready, jump. For the best. Some of my young girl. Come confident in your vagina scream. A girl is confident in them vagina. A girl man with them confident in them pum pum scream. Oh, you know what I have to tell you clear. One, two, three.